We've done lots and lots of videos about plants, but they've mainly been about fruit and vegetables to grow in your greenhouses and your raised beds. But there's nothing more satisfying than having a collection of houseplants, because there's so many different species of plant that you can get in all different colours, and you can propagate and pot them on and get plants of this size. That originally only started from something like that. So there's a satisfaction in doing that as well, because you can extend your collection without spending a lot of money. So I'm thinking about starting a new channel, which is going to start sometime in autumn. So if you're interested in that, let me know in comments, and I'll leave a link to this new channel that I'm setting up at the moment. So if you want to subscribe in advance, you can do that. And then the first time I upload a video to that channel, you'll get a notification. And we're going to be covering all aspects of indoor plants. Some videos will be just looking at plants and why they're so appealing. We'll also be discussing certain plants that are beneficial to have in your house because they cleanse the air. Some plants have healing properties as well. And then there's propagation, when you get certain plants that grow little babies like this, which you can pot on and then make yourself an all new plant. So as we slowly start to creep towards the end of the year, we can then concentrate on what we can do indoors and just have general discussions about plants. What's your favourite and why? So if you're interested in seeing a channel about houseplants, then just follow that link in description to that channel, hit that subscribe button, press that notifications bell, and we'll see you there on first upload. Thanks for watching.